Hey guys, okay, so I am here because this box, in front of me, this box here is my new iMac. Oh, this looks real good. It's here. Oh, it's got a really fun little handle. This is the back. I needed to upgrade my old iMac. Unfortunately, it's a few years old. I didn't get the best specifications, and I thought I will upgrade and get this bad boy with better specs. So this is the 10-core CPU processor and the 10-core GPU, and it's also got 24 gigabytes of unified memory. I previously had 8 gigabytes. Yes, 8 gigabytes. We've got the 512 gigabyte solid state drive in here as well with the Apple M4 chip, the standard glass. Yes, let's go. Let's open this bad boy up, and it's 24 inches. Okay guys, I've had a chance to play with this bad boy, and let me tell you some things. This is a really fast iMac, the M4 chip and the 24 gigabytes of RAM really beefed this thing out, and let me tell you, I've edited this video right now using this, and it's been so fast, no stuttering, doesn't take a long time, it's super snappy, really great. I play Final Fantasy 14 on my Mac, and I couldn't play it on my other one anymore. This is crisp. No lag at all. I've been getting to do so much with this. It's amazing. The only thing I have to say though, and I think it's just issues on my side because I'm still new to the new setup of all of this, streaming with it is just a little bit dicey at the moment. There's a few little nitpicky things here. I think I can iron out the lag issue that I have with streaming, hopefully real soon. Overall, I really love this. I think this is really great, and here's some extras that I think you should know about that just add to you buying this. So like I said in the beginning, the RAM, they're having that extra 24 gigabytes. My old one was only 8 gigabytes. Standard models only came in 8. They all come in 16 gigabytes now. Yes, we're getting somewhere. And I really think that just going up to the next level for the extra 200 bucks really helps. 24 gigabytes, I'm speeding through tasks now. I am so happy to have this. The only thing I did pick up was the 512 gigabyte solid state drive. I don't need a terabyte. I have so many hard drives. That's fine. I'm not going to do intensive editing on this one. I'm going to do like videos at a time, throw them off, so then it's always constantly very low gigabyte usage, and then that means everything will work efficiently and effectively. The other feature of these is ports on the back. They're all the Thunderbolt ports. Now, I don't use anything that kind of uses that, but apparently in the previous model, which I never had, I've only had the 2019 one, they had two different ports. You had two Thunderbolts and two regular USB-Cs, and if you put one in the other, I think there was issues with it. This time they're all Thunderbolt. You won't have to worry about that if that's an issue for you. The one thing I do miss at the back of these is having USBs, because everything I have is USB-C, so I've had to buy extra USB to USB-C dongles for a lot of these things. So that's the only thing. If you don't have them, you're probably going to have to invest in some dongles if you have a lot of USB equipment, or you can get one of those extra ones that will have 4 USB slots where you just put one in just to save yourself. On the mouse and the keyboard itself, they're all USB-C now. There's no lightning. There's no major upgrades on the mouse or the keyboard itself. They're very similar to what was the previous model, as I could see. So the iMac overall has a lot of improvements that kind of rival the M3 MacBook Pros. So I think a lot of the performance is a little bit more upgraded. I can't really compare. I've only had the M1 Pro. So it would definitely help for like extensive tasks and gaming. The overall performance of the GPU increases, and the M4 chip will definitely help with that. It also has an 8K resolution display at 120 gigahertz, which is better than I think the M3 Max, which is like $3,000 or like around 3,000 something pounds. You're getting it for a lot less in these base models, and even if you upgrade around, it's quite good for that. Even the webcam itself is a now 12 megapixel camera with center stage, so basically if you're moving anywhere, the camera's going to pick it up and go with you. It's quite cool, very crisp. I did use it on my Twitch stream, and I kind of debated, did I actually need to use my actual DSLR anymore, because this is such a crisp camera to take photos on or record yourself on too. It's ultra wide and it also zooms in on your face too, so it's quite cool with the center stage. And if you want to be really fancy and you don't want any glares, or you're by a window and you don't want any of that sheen on you, you can get the nano texture glass. For me, I don't need that. That's just an added bonus that I would rather put that cash money into extra RAM, which I did. You can also get 32 gigabytes as well if you're feeling spicy enough. So if you wanted Apple Intelligence, this one's apparently a lot more faster. It's got a 16-core neural engine in there, and it just apparently performs a lot better. I'm not really probably going to be using Apple Intelligence a lot. It's probably something I need to get my grips on and have a deeper dive into, but if that's something that interests you, it is supposed to be a lot faster on here. And then lastly, you've got color options that are different than before. So as I have been looking at this one is super metallic. It is a gorgeous emerald green. It's more of this kind of color down here. Colorway here, it's kind of two different colors, as you can see, because of the light on my ring light is kind of making this glossy sheen. Depending on how you look at it, this is a really dark green. This is so beautiful, and it comes with this mint green kind of base metallic and underlay at the bottom. If colors are important to you, there's such a big range of colors for you to look at, and I would just say go into store and have a look for yourself to get the full experience of how these colors work, because I was not expecting it to look this sharp, this clean, this gorgeous. If you want to pick up an iMac, I say go upgrade now, because this is definitely the time to do it. I feel like there's such great upgrades into this, and if you're a person like me that hasn't upgraded in about 5 to 6 years, you're going to see such a big difference and you are going to love it. That's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this iMac review unboxing. I got to have a hands-on 2 days with it. It was informative for you as well. Any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. But oh, sorry, I think the video just ended that you were just watching, but don't worry. You can leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought about the video, what was your favorite part, or any suggestions you might have. But also, while you're at it, make sure to hit that like button so you can help grow the channel some more. Wait, you want more videos? Okay, well, you can subscribe right here and get any of those fun updates or any new notifications of giveaways, videos, or anything else straight to your inbox first. Or you can click right here to get one of my hand-picked videos just for you, and you can go binge it if you want. So thank you, and have an awesome day wherever you may be. Bye-bye.